Microsoft says that the next phase of AI is per seat plus consumption as the Copilot usage grows. And I remember when the Copilot thing first came around, I was asking people in this chat and also in the afternoon, and pretty much anyone else that I ran into in the professional world, hey, do you use Copilot? Do you find it helpful? Do you find it good, frankly? And the answer was, for the most part, no. They would use things like Claude or ChatGPT, things that they were used to, and not necessarily the Copilot integration. We also heard that some companies were forcing to use that integration, and now it appears that we have some growth there. So let's check this out. As artificial intelligence shifts from static software to intelligent assistants that work continuously on a user's behalf, Microsoft says the next phase of its AI business will be driven not just by software subscriptions, but by how much customers actually use its AI tools. During its fourth quarter earnings call, CEO Satya Nadella said Microsoft is evolving in commercial model beyond per seat to per seat plus consumption. Quote, "We are also evolving our business model beyond per seat to per seat plus consumption, further expanding our TAM and delivering more customer value," end quote. Finance chief Amy Hood echoed that view, saying Microsoft's expanding AI opportunity is increasingly tied to, quote, "usage and consumption growth," end quote, as more AI experiences become integrated across enterprise workflows. Nadella added that the company's recent added usage-based billing to Microsoft 365 Copilot, with thousands of customers already paying for and actively using the feature, while GitHub Copilot was also seeing meaningful revenue from its newly launched usage-based billing model. Microsoft is positioning Copilot as the centerpiece of its AI strategy. Nadella said chat, co-work, autopilot, and code are coming together in what he called Microsoft's, quote, "flagship super app," end quote, different user roles. As Copilot becomes embedded in more daily workflows, the company stands to benefit not only from software subscriptions, but also from higher AI consumption across its products. Microsoft continues to ramp up AI infrastructure spending to meet demand that the company says still exceeds available computing capacity. So a lot there. First of all, they're telling you that Copilot is growing and it's going to be a huge part of their business. That's definitely a number to watch. But they're also telling you that the company is going to exceed the computing capacity. So there doesn't seem to be any slowdown there on compute. Okay, I got one more news story. Then we're going to get to our guest. This one is on a show favorite. Anne-Marie says, not a fan of Copilot at all, but a lot of companies won't allow anything but Copilot.